Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to show you what happened to a quarter of our land. After the demolition, it got left with a lot of trash, a lot of debris, like a lot of bricks that were inside the old chicken coops. So it was pretty much too much work for us to do on our own or by hand. It would have taken us months. It don't look as bad on video, but it was pretty miseven and pretty dangerous to walk on, really. So me and my brother decided to hire somebody to come and help us out and level this ground out for us, because really it's just way too much work for us to do it by hand.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So after he took out the trash from the dirt, he ended up leveling everything out, and I'm pretty grateful to the Lord Jesus that this project came out pretty good. It looks real good and I'm happy with the results. Subscribe to the channel because there's more videos coming up with the ranch. Thanks and God bless you.
Reimagined.